How can you create an excellent first impression on LinkedIn? It's really quite simple. You need to have an excellent LinkedIn profile photo. What do I mean? Well, the LinkedIn profile photo is something that you upload from your phone or your laptop to your LinkedIn profile, and it follows you around LinkedIn. Everywhere you go on the platform, your photo will be there front and center along with your headline. Now, it's very easy to do a bad LinkedIn profile photo headshot. You might, for example, decide to crop it from a larger photo, maybe one of you on holiday or at a function of some kind. Now, the problem with that kind of photo is, first of all, the background, which of course you can remove using Canva, but because they are candid and not posed. Now, some people will argue that candid photos look great, and that can absolutely be true. But for most of us, having a photo that is posed works much better. We want to show a nice big smile, plenty of smiling and plenty of teeth, so that people see us as warm and friendly. But we also need to be professional. So show up in your profile photo wearing the clothes that you normally wear to the office or in your work. If you do that, then your profile photo will look exactly like you, so that if someone were to meet you in person, they would instantly recognize you. Whether you are posting content, sending direct messages, or engaging on other people's content on LinkedIn, your profile photo is going to display. So let me say it again. It is really important that your profile photo is a good one. Follow these particular steps that I've shared with you in terms of sharing a great photo, and you will stand out on LinkedIn.